Jai Narayan student, welcome back here. I hope all are well. And now myself Nidhi Lal. Today we going to discuss chapter number 2, People as Resource. And today this lecture number is third. And now topic name is quality of population. Student, this word is quality of population. Quality of population is the overall qualitative functioning of the population that signifies its social, economic, and cultural growth and output. And quality of population means कि education and health are the most important factor affecting the quality of population. The quality of population depend upon the literacy rate, healthy of a person, indicate by life expectancy and skill formation acquired by the people of the country. The quality of the population ultimate decide the growth rate of the country. The quality of population depend upon its literacy rate. Okay, student, my words is repeated कि the quality of population depend upon its literacy rate, and education and health are the most important factor affecting the quality of population. The quality of population ultimate decide the growth rate of the country. And now some example, student, कि one illiterate and unhealthy population are a liability for the economy. Like story I am already discussed, the Sakal and Vilas. So Vilas is the illiterate, unhealthy, and no training. It means कि human resource and liability person for the economy. Vilas, but Sakal is the good training. Good training, yes. Good training, good education, good healthcare, and literate and healthy population are an assets. So it means कि Sakal is the human capital formation. So now next point discuss. See, let's see its 2 points follow. First of all, literacy rate and healthy of a person. What is the literacy rate? Let's see. Student literacy rate means कि total percentage of population who can read and write. It means कि this is the percentage of people above the age of 7 years with the ability to read and write and with understanding is known as literacy rate. Again my words is student repeated कि literacy rate is the percentage of people above the age of 7 years with the ability of read and write and with understanding the words read and write. It means ki literacy rate. Now see the figure. You can see that, student, कि this figure is show 51% literacy rate out of 100 people, and but 51 can read and write. It means percentage how? 51%. Now next figure, see literacy rate 1915 and 51 is 18%, very less. Na? 1991 and 92 is the 52%. 2011 and 12 is the improved 74%. Now literacy rate is clear, student, कि what is the literacy rate? Literacy rate means कि total percentage of population who can read and write. Now see, student, I am already discussed point की quality of population. The quality of population depend upon the literacy rate, health of percentage indicate by life expectancy, skill formation acquired by the people of the country. Now next point I am already discussed कि the quality of the population ultimate decide the growth rate of the country. Illiterate unhealthy population are liability for the economy. तो like example for Vilas, and literate and healthy population are and assets, the like example for Sakal. So now next. Okay, student, this is the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. As student, you know that ki government has taken many steps towards providing elementary education to all. So some important steps. First, Swar Shiksha Abhiyan. Government is initiative of Swar Shiksha Abhiyan aim at providing the elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. So first step is the program for universal elementary education. Student, universal elementary education is the mainly access to retention quality in elementary education with a special emphasis on girls Special schools called as Novidyalaya have been established in each district. And now next is the elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. So government expenditure on education has increased enormously in the last few years. There are still many disparities in literacy, and female literacy remain much lower. I'm already discussed the lecture 2 कि man's and women's comparison to women's almost low skill, low illiteracy rate and low healthcare. Almost all parts says female is unequal comparison to male. So now female is literacy remain much lower than male literacy all over India, and literacy among males is nearly 16.6% higher than female, and then it is also about 16.1% higher in urban areas as compared to rural area. So they are first example for Kerala. For example, there is about 94% literacy in Kerala but 62% in Bihar. It is the comparison education scanner in India. Ki first of all, Kerala is the 94% and Bihar is the 62%. So Swar Shiksha Abhiyan is the main step government has many steps taken. Firstly, Swar Shiksha Abhiyan aim at the firstly program for universal elementary education, and second is elementary education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. Now next, see student, midday meal scheme to enhance the enrollment, retention and attendance and simultaneously improve nutrition and level among the children. Now this mainly implemented to encourage the attendance students and retention of school children and improve their the nutrition status also. So good attendance also and improve the nutrition also. So first of all, midday meal scheme, again my words repeated, midday meal scheme has been implemented to encourage attendance and retention of school children and improve their nutrition status. Okay, now see in this picture also show midday meal scheme. Now next, okay, I'm already discussed this part, human capital contribution growth of society, and provision is made quality in elementary education with the special emphasis on girls also. Yes, vocational stream with occupation related knowledge and skill, and for government step the Swar Shiksha Abhiyan age to 6 to 14 years by 2010